Two types of users can create projects in iRidium Lite: installers and DIY users. How to determine what you are? The main difference of an installer from a DIY user is who they create a project for. An installer creates a project to sell it to a user. It's business. A DIY user creates a project for himself. He does not sell it to anybody. He controls the created project. Thus, he is both an installer and a user. He can also share project with other users. But in this case, these users are not customers, but family members or guests. As an installer and a DIY user have different purposes, the process of creating a project in iRidium Lite is different for them. See more information about it in special videos. A user cannot register in iRidium Lite by himself. It is done by an installer or a DIY user when a project is shared. After authorization in iRidum, a user controls equipment with the help of a created project. He can also edit the project. It depends on the rights given to him by an installer or a DIY user.